Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got something a little bit different today, and yeah, we're doing a bit of a product infomercial. Bit of a pun intended there, but yeah, this is something that I've been crying out for a while. We now have a full range of tyre foams for our little critters. First up, we have the foams for the V1 and V2 wheels and tyres, guys. So I'm going to crack into these. I'm going to leave one without a foam. I'm going to put a foam in one, and we're going to test sidewall strength and yeah, overall just stability. Bring this around the front view, easy to install. I like to put one corner in, then the opposite corner, and then just even it out. But simple as that. And just like that, we've got a foam installed. So what I want to test is if the sidewall strength is increased and obviously the overall stabilization. So I'm going to do a couple of wiggles just from the top. And as you can see, this is already debead in. I'll try the same with this one now, with the foam. Wiggle it around. I'm actually being harder now with this one. So yeah, that's the stability passed. Next, we're going to test sidewall strength, just a basic test. I'm going to hold it 45 degrees each way and just push down. So there we go, debeaded, and the other side debeaded. So we're going to try that now with the foam, 45 degrees, pushing down hard. Get a close up of that. The other way. So as you can see, guys, the sidewall strength has increased tenfold. So yeah, massive overall improvement there for the V1 and the V2 tyres there, guys. Next up, we're going to take a look at the foams for the V3 and V4 wheels and tyres. Yeah, they're a tad softer than the foams that come with the V4 wheels and tyres. So anyone that owns a C34 or a C44 knows that these wheels definitely need gluing or some foam of sort. So first up, we're going to test the overall stability of the V3 without a foam. So just a couple of presses. And straight away, test the one with the foam now. I highly recommend as well, if you get the V3 wheels, drill a little hole to release the pressure in the tyre. But yeah, as you can see, overall stability a lot better than without a foam. So 45 degrees-ish push. Okay, show that you from the inside what's happening. And there we go, we've debeaded. Do the same now with the foam. And so far holding up nice and strong. Just a quick test though, guys. As you can see, overall, these are gonna still giving you plenty of flex, as you can see, but yeah, a good bit of strength there as well. So we've got some Fayee foams here, guys. These will fit all Fayees from the 01 to the 04. These are the super soft ones from the 004. And overall stability is pretty good. These are a nice wide tread pattern, so these don't debead very often, in my opinion. We'll do a side slant test. And this is pretty extreme. And yeah, they're holding on pretty well, just about debeaded there. Okay, wow. The Fayee tyres with the foams feel really nice. Like I said, the overall stability is pretty good without a foam, so that's going to be good generally. So yeah, we're going to try some side slants and test the sidewall strength here, guys. And yeah, I'm really impressed. That's a really nice improvement to these super soft Fayee tyres. Okay, so we've got the MN90. This is without foam, and this is with foam. And yeah, still retaining the super softness of the MN90/99 tyres. Overall stability of this tyre and wheel combination has always been good due to the larger inner diameter of the rim. When we get to sidewall strength, it suffers then on the inside, as you can see. So we're going to test that. Overall stability is going to be good. It was anyway. Feels even nicer with these foams. And sidewall strength, let's try that weak spot on the inside. And yeah, it's holding strong. Fair play. Nice improvement there, guys. And last but not least, it's the MN86K/KS wheel and tyre. So yeah, really nice kit. Really rate this kit. It's brand new to the market, but yeah, another weak spot to these little critters. They don't come with foam. So yeah, he's got us covered, guys. From experience, the MN wheels and tyres are pretty good. Overall stability, nice wide profile. So yeah. Sidewall strength, again, very good. But now the foam's installed, it feels really nice and soft. Instead of just, as you can see, that's just going straight flat to the rim. So we've got a bit more support. And again, them sidewalls are going to be even stronger. But that's it for me today, guys. Just a quick one showing you the foams. Make sure to check out his store, guys. He has got so many unique items for our little critters. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.